important thing that I would like to get information from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. At present, how many level inspector we have in the state? Whether that level inspector is only in the East Castle or scattered of all 11 districts in the state. Sir, I also would like to urge the Honorable Chief Minister that surprise visit have already said that level inspector along with the police officer of any particular outpost or police station, they have to go from site from time to time. That what have already been seen in the incident, even in the West Castle, Giant Hills, even Rubhai district, even here, we have seen that how sedition have been occurred because of there is no surprise visit from the level inspector, even from the police. So another important, sir, that the local contractors who brought, like I've already said in the beginning, local track contractors who brought the level from outside. Not only he himself, he have to take care, and also that he has to make sure. You have to make sure that those who come from outside, they have ability to come in. So before I winding up, but my appeal to all the contractors, suppliers in the state, that those who have a big work, many important, we should give preference to the local people. It is a fact that those work which are local people can do the work. Better we give our own people. It is a fact that there is some work that are people they cannot do. But now we have come to the stage that all type of work our people can do. But my message, my request to all the contractors, suppliers in the state, give preference to the local people, whatever the case may be. Even I urge the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, the message should come from him that they have to make sure contractors, big supplier, they have to accommodate our local people first, because we have all the expense there. So much of unemployment problem that will occur in the state.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. Sir, relating to safety, security of the migrant workers, we also link with all the local authority, be it Dalai, be it Headman, be it NOC, and also with the proper information which goes down to the nearest police station or police outpost, wherever the concerned migrant workers are located. So this has been done from the department, sir, and we will make sure that the act and the rules will prevail 24/7 in the entire state of Meghalaya. Of course, sir, my humble appeal and request to all concerned, the private business houses, be it contractors, be it anybody, any companies or even the individuals, while bringing in the migrant workers to their respective places, it is mandatory that they need to submit or furnish all the details. All the details they need to furnish in the form of application, as rightly mentioned by the honourable member. Now we have done, one is offline and number 2 is online. We want to make things easier for every concerned. So therefore, we requested all the concerned people, the residents of the state who intend to bring in migrant workers in their respective houses or in their respective places, registration is a must. And those who does not, they are subjected to penalty as provided by the provision of the Act and rules of this very Act, which is for the interest of everybody. Next point, sir. The issue of, I also seen one statement came out from the CM of the KHDC, which says that prior to issuing of the registration by the Labour Department, NOC should be also enclosed by the concerned discussion, be it KHDC, be it Jantia, or be it Garo. But I would like to clarify here very, very clearly, there is no such provision. The moment this Act became a law in the state of Meghalaya, there is no such provision where all the district councils can issue the NOC prior to the application of the licenses or the registration, whatever. They cannot, all the district councils cannot issue NOC or cannot make it mandatory for NOC from their respective jurisdiction. That is very clear, sir. We cannot, it is not at all mandated for any concern from now on. Number 3 point, sir. Right now, Labour Department has got enough manpower, except in those few blocks which was just newly inaugurated or newly functioned. And now from the department, we already sent the proposal for creation of inspector posts in those blocks. As of now, we do have 39 blocks, 39 CNID blocks, and 39 inspectors. We have in all these existing blocks. And these new created blocks, again, we have already sent a proposal to the government for creation of additional posts where we need to cover the entire 46 blocks within the state of Meghalaya. And the duties, functions of these inspectors, we have authorized them that each inspector needs to go inspect and also needs to conduct a training awareness program with the concerned local authority and also in coordination with the nearest police station or police outpost, whichever is applicable. So these are the steps taken by the department, sir. And we will, I've already instructed the department, I've already instructed the officers. After the budget session, they will also have a workshop. They will have a workshop in each and every district. Every deputy labor commissioner or assistant labor commissioner posted in the respective district has to convene a meeting, has to have a workshop or a seminar like for the awareness, for the information, detailed information of all the concerned, both from the local authority, be it from the police, as well as the concerned contractors or private business houses carrying out their different types of businesses in the state as far as issuing of registration to those migrant workers is concerned. So this process will start very soon, sir. So I assure the honourable member and the members of this August House that Labour Department and the government are serious in implementing this new act, which was just passed last year. So the structure, the fee structure as by the honourable member, fee structure is 50 rupees. Registration fees, we are charging 50 rupees, and this registration will be only for 179 days. 179 days, and then 30 days prior to the expiry of 179 days, the concerned migrant workers or the employers has to renew it well in advance. 30 days. We have kept already the provision that it should be 30 days prior to the expiry. They need to renew the respective registration. So these are the things, these are the issues where we are trying to make sure that this act is prevail in totality in the entire state, as we already seen quite a number of unpleasant incidents happen in different parts of our state. So I would like to urge to all the concerned, I think now on, whoever engaging migrant workers in the state of Meghalaya, the employer has to take the entire responsibility as provided by this act. in the state. So with these few submission and clarifications, I resume my seat.